Wait, did y'all hear the chicken just crow? Do chickens crow? Or was that, you know what, it's 7 a.m. Do chickens crow? Oh, he just dropped that. Do chickens crow? Ugh. Forget it. Good morning, you guys. Good morning. It is 7 a.m. We woke up at like 6. Well, I woke up at 6 o'clock and it's 7 o'clock now. It's crazy because it's all bright outside, so you think it's like, I don't know what I'm saying, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. We are on our way to Kumasi, and Kumasi is about 4 to 5 minutes away from here. 45 minutes. It's not 45 minutes. It's 4 to 5 hours away from here, but with traffic, it's literally gonna be like 7 hours. But first, we're gonna go to an orphanage to do donations. I might vlog there, I might not, I don't know. And then we are going to go to Boti Falls. I think it's called Boti Falls. I'm probably butchering the name, but some waterfall place. And you know I'm definitely gonna vlog there. And then we're gonna go on our way to Kumasi because one of my sister's friends having a wedding, an engagement and a wedding. She's part of it. So I should never pop this pimple because now it's like it did that thing. You know that thing when you pop a pimple, so like it leaves a mark. Anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna vlog that, but.
Hey, Rama. My friend made Rama.
Seriously.
Yeah. One country.
Yeah, catch her, man.
Yeah, I'm saying Rama. We on our way. Good morning, guys.
Very good.
Say how. Good morning, guys. Hey, Rama. We on our way to Korea. Say hi.
Y'all, guess where we are at? University of Ghana in Legon. Look at their campus.
Watching this like I remember this day.
Bye. This is our international student dorm. No one appreciates my vlogging like
I do. At least later on when I'm bored.
yeah, they're gonna be watching this like
she's bored.
good times. I'm definitely gonna be watching it. Hey, mama.
We're invited though. Y'all remember her?
Oh, you got to remember her. I'll place her video right here.
Right.
I'm gonna keep replaying. Guys, we're at the orphanage. This is Elizabeth and Jessica. Hi. Trivia. What's the name to Tuno? What's the name to Tuno? We're at the orphanage. Everyone's here. Makes the cocoa butter, that makes the cocoa everything cocoa. Here we go. This is fresh cocoa. I say English accent, but cocoa. This is fresh. You see it? It's so good. But yeah, they use this to make a lot of products, like a lot of like chocolate products. But this is the fresh, real deal. And now we're buying shinga kebab.
What's the false name? Wow.
We're here. We're here. I can't wait to watch these videos. We're here, y'all. Boti Falls, the one and only. Cool. I'm about to take an iconic ass picture. For real, these. I'll show y'all when we're going back the stairs we have to take. I have to take an iconic photo because we did the. We did.
I'm like, you should have done.
Let me show y'all. Wow, God's creation, y'all. Wait, yeah, the picture I have to take has to be iconic. Cause the journey we took to get here. Here we are. Papa, no, oh, right out. Or try and drop. Look at this. What? What? Welcome to Boti Falls. I look like crust is what I look like. I look so crusty. You've been in that car so long. I look like crust. Like,
why are you embarrassing me like this?
I'm not.
People really about to watch a video like, why is this girl not smiling?
Why aren't you? Ask yourself that. You're alive. You're well. Look at your view. Like, this walk back is the most. Okay. I'm really dead. Mark my words. In 2018, I'm hitting the gym. Next time y'all see me, I'm really gonna be fit. Like, actually fit. Not joking. Because this is a dub. Like why am I breathing so hard? 2018, Yates Fieldhouse. Maybe not Yates, cause you already know how I feel about that. Good morning, good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
As y'all can see, I have the same clothes on like I did last time. But that's because we're at an engagement. Ooh, the light here is just A1. I wonder if you can hear me because the music is so loud, but we're at an engagement, and so you guys will see what a traditional Ghanaian engagement looks like. You know, the hair's cooking up, that just gotta be laid. So it's cooking. We're in Kumasi, Ghana right now, so. Hi. Gates. Oh my God.
Say hi.
Hey, what? Hi. Hi. Makeup by me. Makeup by me. Serious increase only, nothing major. Oh, it's so cute. Weather is no joke. It's so hot. But I hope you guys saw the traditional dancers coming in. It was so cute. Pete, my sister, she's also in it. But yeah, now they're just gonna do like the traditional ceremony, which encompasses a lot of different things. Like the families will advise each other and like all that stuff. I try to get snippets, but I'm so out of breath trying to get that other footage. That other footage I got. So hot. And I keep having these really bad hair days. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, my hair will just, it just won't come out right. Like, I'm so over it. And I just look, just not feeling it.
Yes, we'll be a say.
Yo, we had to move to a different location because the wedding is tomorrow, so we had to come to a different house. Yo, we stop. No, this is Life with Gladys, not Life with Gladys and everybody else. No,
Life with Gladys' sister.
Anyway, anyway, we're at the house. Stop. We're at the house and some of the girls are about to go out, but we're just chilling. Look, I got a mustache. Wait, we're just, oh my god.
That's my bestie, y'all.
My sister and her best friend, but we're at the house. Some people are about to go out, but we're just gonna eat and chill. So yeah, and then tomorrow will be the wedding. I hope you guys enjoyed the traditional part because I loved it. Like, my husband needs to be Ghanaian. Like, that's undoubted. Like, he needs to be Ghanaian because I need someone to understand my culture, like truly understand and love it as much as I do. But I loved it, and I missed the little girl that was dancing. I took a video of her. Her name's Kate. I really miss her. I keep watching her dance and she was so good. But yeah. Oh, Violet, she's hurt. Yeah, boy, I am jam boy now. Yeah, boy, I am jam boy.
Come on, baby. Say more darling sugar. Lovely, lovely, baby. Tere, se moverá. Tere, tere, tere. Mano, tere.